Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
I think this is why I always have an affinity to my peers, because I know the truth. I know what it takes, and all it takes is for you to believe in yourself. And that sounds so damn cheesy, because we hear that all of our lives. But seriously, life is a fucking fairy tale.
Believe in you, yeah. You gotta believe. You gotta believe in you, yeah. You gotta believe. You gotta believe in you.
Hey guys, I don't know if y'all can see me, but hopefully y'all can. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications so you never miss a video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my bacon, ham, and cheese, grilled cheese sandwich. I have beef bacon. Y'all saw that in the previous clip. I'm about to get my bread out. I washed my hands already, and we're going to get into the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications. If you like this video, just like. Okay, y'all. So first I have my pan here. Right, that's cute. Then we have this bread. It's the artisan, whatever this is. Look, it's just bread. You can use regular white bread, wheat bread, whatever bread. And I'm going to get 4 pieces of cheese. And put out some ham. So yeah, it's a butter. The most important thing. So everyone is different on how they do their grilled cheese. Sometimes I butter both sides, and then sometimes I just let the butter melt. Since because I'm gonna use a whole stick because I like my my grilled cheese to be really buttery. You can use half a stick, you can use whatever. Everyone is different, like I said. So I'm use a whole butter thing. Butter is all my stuff to be. I need to taste that butter. So yeah. So we're gonna do that. Let's get some ham. So open the ham. Oh yeah. Open. Rare, okay. I'm gonna open up the cheeses to your. Just gonna open them halfway because once the bread starts cooking, it kind of cook kind of fast. So yeah, this is all American cheese, Kraft American cheese. You can use whatever American cheese. You can use Gouda, you can use sharp cheddar, you can use cheddar, whatever floats your baby. Whatever floats your baby. Whatever cheese you gonna use, you use it. And guess what? It's still gonna come out good. You feel me? You feel me? Cause I feel me too. Okay. Ooh, let's call me Chef Bo ID. I'm just gonna let this melt down. In the process, I'm gonna try to build these sandwiches. We're gonna take slice of bread, 4 slices of bread. I'm gonna do 2 sandwiches. I like 2 cheeses per sandwich. You can use 1, 3, whatever. So about. Everyone is what? Different. Oh, and guess what? Different is good. Different is good. Be careful. So yeah, this is some thick bread, y'all. So how I'm gonna assemble it is a cheese here, a piece of bacon. Again, this is beef bacon. You can use pork bacon, turkey bacon, whatever type of bacon you want to use. Some pieces of ham. Or 2 pieces of ham. Your second slice of cheese. See? Second slice of cheese. Yum, yum, yum. No hand. We're gonna do this. Boom, social worker. We're gonna do it again. Piece of cheese. And y'all hear that razzle dazzle? That means it's ready. That means shit is ready to be ate. Okay, mine. Look, y'all, look. Let me tell y'all something. Everyone is different. If you know you can't eat all this butter, and you know you can't eat all this salt and cholesterol, please don't. Everybody is different. And yeah, for my surgery, I eat what I want to eat. But I have to eat what I want to eat. Another piece of bread. We did, because cleanliness. Oh, the shit, we're gonna put it. Come on. Before we start grilling it up, we gonna make sure mama don't come down here yelling at you. You know, because daddy coming down here yelling at y'all. Well, you got your boyfriend and girlfriend coming over. Husband and wife the same. Coming home. You just don't eat a little snack. We just gonna do that like that. That's for the dad. Gonna do like that. And gonna do it like that. Let me show y'all how this good. These sandwiches is good. Hope y'all guys are enjoying it as much as I'm enjoying making it. Ooh, lipstick all down my mouth. Was working on homework. Like so, like that. Move it over a little bit. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make we already know gotta eat the bacon before we hold on. I'll be back once this is done. We is back. I got my little plate. I got the paper plate drawer. Cause ain't nobody got time to be doing no dishes. I'm just gonna put y'all back up here. I ain't got time to be doing no dishes, y'all. Y'all already know y'all ain't got time to be doing dishes. I don't know why y'all judging me for using the paper plate. Y'all look at that. Look. Ooh. I would put some chips with it. Some what's the name chips? Some protein chips. But I don't want to, y'all. I just don't want to. Let me show you. Ooh, look at that. Look. I mean, a little burnt right there. But that's good, you know. Alright, y'all. Alright.
As I've told you time and time again, you have the ability to accomplish anything that you desire.
You're special, sweetie. And God wants to do great things through you. What you believe becomes what they see. See your reflection in the mirror, may it always be a pretty girl. A pretty girl. It's a
Get spin for the girls, them. Come be dizzy, man. You already know.
Done dizzy, the finest finger.
Whoa, 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 whoa. My pretty the Mona Lisa, seemingly looking like a diva. No gold, no silver, can't replace you in my heart. I give you pleasure, for your love got no measure. She give me no pressure, that's why I got you my treasure. Free thinker, get spin, now me be your caretaker. Don't mind those fakers, they don't love you, they want you on that sofa, yeah, yeah.
Dizzy man, she be my diva. Oh my diva, don't dizzy. She give me liver, that's why I can't leave her. She be my diva. Oh my diva. She give me liver, she no big go digger.